Terry has asked me to talk a little bit about home ownership versus renting and some of the tax benefits of buying a home. And for the most part, if you're renting, there are really no tax benefits available. But for home ownership, there are quite a few deductions and or credits that are available that can really significantly impact your taxes. They include, and most of them people recognize, it's the mortgage interest that you pay on the house. And for home acquisition debt, it's mortgage interest up to the first $1 million of home acquisition debt and up to the first $100,000 of home equity debt. One thing that's fairly new is the deduction for the mortgage insurance premiums that you pay. People call it PMI. Historically, that has never been deductible. And for some people, depending on your income level or when you buy your home, you're now able to deduct those types of premiums. Another deduction is your property taxes that you pay on your house. So when you're looking at buying a home, then I think it's important to look and see what is your tax situation before buying a home and what is your tax situation after buying the home. And then you can look and see how much money are you saving, and that those savings can then be used to help you better afford your house, do renovations, and make you more comfortable with actually owning a home. Some of the other things that keep in mind is there are a lot of credits that are available now for homeowners. One credit, which has been around for a long time, is the mortgage interest credit. And that is a credit, it's mostly for lower and moderate income homeowners to encourage them to buy a house. You would apply for the credit through a local or state tax agency, and then once you have the credit, you would go and you get your loan and you would buy your house. But it would allow you to take a credit against your tax return for the mortgage interest you've paid. One of the new things that has come out is another credit, which is really not a credit, but it's more of a tax-free loan, where you can it's for first-time homeowners, and if you meet certain income limitations, if you buy your house within certain time frames, then you're allowed to take up to, I think it's a $7,500 credit on your tax return, and then over the next 15 years, you pay a part of it each year. So there's some really great tax benefits out there. You can certainly talk to your own CPA or tax preparer, and we're always happy to sit down with people and to help them look at their tax situation as a renter and then as a possible home buyer, and explain to them what are their benefits and how it can help them.